So, are we all ready to listen to this icebreaker speech? Yes? All right, here we go. Toastmaster Bromi. She's going to give her icebreaker speech from the Presentation Mastery Pathways Level 1. And her title for the speech is My Ambition of Life, Toastmaster Bromi. Toastmaster Bromi, My Ambition of Life. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Meena. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Meena and fellow Toastmasters and my dear guests. The constant question that I have always confronted during my childhood is, what is your ambition in life? Or what do you want to become? Yes, fellow Toastmasters, I am Brahmin Stanley and I am a pharmacist by profession. Pharmacist means someone who knows about medicine, its toxic effects, its interactions, and contraindications. I joined Toastmasters to develop my communication skills as well as my speaking ability. Today, I would like to talk to you about my ambition in life. When I was 4 years old, I constantly faced this question, what do you want to become? And my answer was simple, I want to become a doctor. But being a doctor means it's not an easy thing. You need to practice more and more. You should practice to be a good individual and a good doctor. First thing is your habit. My father always wake me up at 5 o'clock in the morning. And that time when I was in 5th standard, I used to think too early for a child like this. But he was very strict that time. He used to tell, you are what you repeatedly do. That means your habit, you can change your habit. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habit, and thus your future will change automatically. Yes, it's true. When I look back, I really feel the warmth he brought to me through his strict warnings. We all want to achieve big things in our life, but we fear the failure in our attempts. The core of all this fear is self-doubt. Smart people always think all the negative things that will happen when something went wrong. But bold people will always think about all the positive things that will happen when something gets right. But boldness is the largest indicator of success, so that we will get what we wish. So remove the self-doubt and you will get what you want. The other quality we need to succeed in life is self-confidence. Whatever you do, whether right or wrong, you have to do with self-confidence. When you are in a plane and the plane is going to fall down, somebody will ask you, do you know how to fly? Then I'll raise my hand, yes, I know how to fly. If you tell him 10 times repeatedly that I can fly, you will fly. That is the self-confidence we should maintain in our life. When I came to Oman for the first time and I attempted the pharmacist exam, I firstly passed the theory but failed the Viva for 3 times. I lost my opportunity and I had to wait for 6 months back and come again for the exam attempt. I attempted it and I got passed. So whatever failure you face, you have to attempt it more and more. By trying more, it becomes your new normal. Then you will get into success. So these 3 things in life will make you successful. One is habit, the other one is boldness, and the third one is self-confidence. Thank you, Toastmasters, for this wonderful opportunity of icebreaker speech for me. So I think being failing means first attempt in learning. Like Dr. Abdul Kalam said, failure is first attempt in learning. So you have to attempt at least 10 attempts. Within that, you will succeed in your task. Thank you, all Toastmasters and guests. Over to you.